Now let's cover how do you input the gasoline into the actual back office and the daily report once the truck with the gas comes in into the gas station. Now, once the truck comes in, you're gonna receive a couple papers and a couple reports, and then a few days after, the actual full invoice from, in this case, Sunshine, who is the supplier of the gasoline. All right, so let's just go over to the computer to show you exactly what I mean. As you can see right here, we are in the daily spreadsheet or the daily report, and these are the papers that we have received. Now, if you see right here, we have two invoices, one for diesel and another one for regular gasoline and for premium. So the first thing we're gonna do is just go right here. This is the paper that you're gonna receive once the truck comes in. And as you can see right here, we're gonna have daily gross gallons, it's 6002. And then the net is 5932 in this case, 5932. This is for gasoline. In this case, 87 octane is the regular gasoline. And then 93 octane is the premium, all right? So we go right here. And same thing, we do it again. 1449. Gross, 1436 is the net, right? Now that we have that information, we also go to the invoice for the diesel and we do exactly the same thing. Now that we've input both gallons, both the net and the gross, we also need the starting gallons that we had in our tank before they came into it. And as you can see right here, we have it for the diesel, we have total volume. For regular, total volume, and the super or the premium, we have total volume. So in this case, we have diesel, we're gonna input 1795. For regular, we have 59112. For super, we have 5135. Now, as you can see, the spreadsheet automatically updates and calculates the total amount that is estimated that is going to cost. So in this case, for example, both for the invoice of the regular and the premium, it's going to cost $17,926. What it does, it calculates the total gallon and multiplies it by the county price that we have right here at the top. Now, what we do is this invoice, in this case, it says the document number. We input it right here. So we have 979959. And this is the actual invoice number for the gasoline, for regular and premium. And then we do the same thing for the diesel. In this case, it's going to be 979956. Now, this, again, we input it in the daily reporting spreadsheet once it comes in with that specific date. And then from that, we just wait a couple days as it comes in. And what happens is we then receive this paper right here. We receive the actual invoice from Sunshine, both for the gasoline, the regular and the premium, and the diesel, okay? So what we need to do is then go to the back office and we select gas load. We select the dates. In this case, we have already inputted, as you can see right here. Now, as you see, regular says 95932 is the total shipped volume. The total cost or price is 1744, and then it automatically updates everything else. Same thing, we do it for 93 octane in this case, which is the super. Same thing, shipped 1436, and then the total cost is 2.2740, as you see right there. Now, what we do is we see the total amount that the invoice has, and then whatever fee that we have or whatever it's missing, we subtract it from the total. In this case, it's going to be 178.78, and we have it right here, and then we save it. And then we do the exact same thing for the invoice of the diesel, which we have right here. And again, same thing, total shipped, in this case, 695, and total price right here as well. And then total, we see it right here, and the difference or the fee that they charge us is 18.96. And then we save it and we have inputted everything regarding the gasoline that came in that specific date. So as you see, we have first step is as the truck comes in, we input it in the daily, and then a few days later, once they actually send the invoice, in this case, Sunshine send the invoice, we input it into the back office, making sure that we select the right invoice for the right type of fuel. So don't get confused diesel with regular gasoline or regular gasoline with the actual premium. Remember that 87 octane is regular, 93 is premium, and the diesel is diesel. So we're going to be using both the daily spreadsheet report and the back office in the gas load. So this is how you input the daily gasoline as the truck comes in into the gas station.
Heaven Deli and Market. Enjoy more for less.